Good morning from Montana. I'm Nancy Quinn. I'm in the greenhouse today. I know I've had a lot of requests about seeing what the greenhouse looked like and how we built it. And if you read my book, you'll know all the funny stories. I won't spoil it for you. Montana has a super short growing season. And so I'm surprised that we're actually doing as well as we are. Have you seen that movie, Attack of the Killer Tomatoes? I think this really qualifies. I should get an abundant crop this year. I'm also growing broccoli over here on this side of the window. Onions. I have two kinds of mint, a spearmint and a chocolate mint, and as well as, I guess this is a good time to tell you about the watering system. Yes, thank you, camera girl. I actually do have a system set up of all these small little hoses, and they are fastened all the way around the edges of the greenhouse. And a garden hose that connects to the house is up here. Yes, I know it's leaking a little bit. I'm going to have to work on that. But we've hooked them up, and the little tiny sprayers, as you can see, spray water everywhere. And it's really helpful that I don't have to come out and water with a watering can every single day. So that's just a nifty little idea that all of you can do at home if you happen to have this kind of a setup. Behind here, on the other side of the tomatoes, we actually have carrots, some cauliflower. Well, I can also tell you that over here by my lettuce patch, it looks like we may have dropped some seeds because I have lettuce growing out of my floor. It's still edible, and I've kind of sectioned it off here to make sure nobody steps on it. But today, it's time to harvest. So I'm going to go ahead and get some broccoli and some of the other vegetables, and I think we're going to have a really nice lunch and some leftover for supper. Now I'm just going to cut this. Isn't it beautiful? I'm so excited. I usually don't get this good of a crop, I have to tell you. Sometimes my broccoli looks a little sad or a little tired, and this is the first year that we've really been able to get something great out of it. So, very excited to tell you about my broccoli. Broccoli! It looks like we've got quite a bit here that we're going to be able to take. There's some in the back. I just snip them off with a knife. Oh, we got a lot back here. Oh.
Big heads.
Yeah. Let's see. Are there any more? Oh, look at this one. I found one. It's another one hiding back here. This one actually looks like it's, I should have maybe got this a couple days ago, but it's still good. Let's see, is there anything else? Anybody hiding back here? The leaves themselves are just so beautiful. I think the rest of these can go a day or so, but here we are. Oh, aren't they lovely? So I'll have to come back in the next day or two and see what else we have. Now here's an onion that's ready. Let's go ahead and pull that out. There. Oh! Oh, that's a beauty. I think I'm going to let the other ones grow just a little more. See if they can't get a little bigger, but we'll put it in here. Beautiful chives. I like to use these in a lot of my pasta dishes. This is an onion and garlic chive. And look at the lettuce. I think we'll get some really great salads out of it. Well, I appreciate you joining me on my little greenhouse tour, and I hope to see you again very soon. So, thank you. Bye-bye.